In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple Google Chrome profile. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. There you will see your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open the profile menu. In this menu, you will see a section for other Chrome profiles. Under that section, click the Manage Chrome Profiles icon, which looks like a small gear. Now find the first profile you want to delete. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct one, especially if you have several profiles with similar names or pictures. When you are ready, move your cursor over that profile. As you hover over it, look at the top right corner of the profile card for the More icon, shown as 3 vertical dots. Click the 3-dot icon to open the profile options. From there, choose Delete. Chrome will then ask you to confirm your choice. If you are sure, click Delete again to confirm. That profile will then be removed from Chrome. To delete multiple Chrome profiles, repeat that same process for each additional profile you want to remove. Go through them one at a time. Hover over the profile, click the 3-dot More icon, select Delete, and then confirm by clicking Delete again. If a profile contains information you might still need, it is worth double-checking before confirming the deletion. That way, you can keep your Chrome setup clean and organized without losing access to a profile you still use. That covers everything you need to know.